Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we share with you a natural remedy. It can help our body to eliminate toxins. So you should watch the video in its entirety from start to finish. First you need to use half an apple. Be sure to thoroughly clean the outer skin of the apple. Apples are a fruit rich in nutrients that containing many vitamins and minerals. It is also a natural food with antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer natural food. The pectin in apples increases intestinal motility and promotes body detoxification. Next you need 4 kiwis. The rich fiber and natural enzymes in kiwi fruit can help us improve digestion and promote a healthy intestinal tract. Regular consumption of kiwi fruit lowers blood pressure and cholesterol, and it helps protect heart health. Kiwi fruit contains high levels of vitamin C and other antioxidants. It improves the immune system and protects the body from diseases. Slows down the aging process. Our channel regularly posts videos about healthy lifestyles. If you are interested in this approach, you can subscribe to my channel and turn on the little bell next to it. Next, prepare an orange. Today's recipe calls for orange peel. Be sure to wash the orange thoroughly before use. Natural remedies require a careful understanding of the effectiveness and effects of ingredients. Orange peel is rich in volatile oils and a variety of monoterpenes that it has broad-spectrum antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects. The dietary fiber in orange peel helps in the metabolism and elimination of waste in the body. What country are you watching my video in? Can you tell me in the comments section? The rich pectin in oranges can help the body to eliminate toxins. The flavonoid compounds in oranges have antioxidant effects that it can scavenge free radicals in the body and prevent chronic diseases. Next, you need a small piece of peeled ginger. Ginger contains a large amount of vitamin C, B6, niacin, calcium, iron, magnesium, and other nutrients that it has immune-enhancing effects. Ginger has a good sweating effect that it can promote the body to eliminate dampness and toxins. The curcumin in ginger stimulates the body's metabolism and burns more fat. Add 500 milliliters of water. Made into detox drinks. The timely elimination of toxins from the body is of great importance to the health of the body. It can prevent the occurrence of many diseases and maintain the health of the body. Drink 1 glass daily before meals. The most important thing about natural remedies is persistence. Very happy to meet friends from all over the world here. Your likes and comments are the motivation for me to make more videos. Thank you for watching and have a nice life.